all are in this difficult phase of pandemic, and there are many candidates who are worried about their IELTS exam and its preparation. Rather than worrying about this thing, you should start working upon it, because a lot of IELTS institutions are there who are providing online trainings to the candidates, and in fact they are giving their best. Earlier, a lot of professionals and couples used to come to me, and they used to tell me that they are quite busy in their professional life and in their personal life, so they don't get time for the preparation. But now this excuse has gone, because in this lockdown you have sufficient time for you, for your family, and for the preparation of your IELTS exam. And in fact, I also provide online classes to my students, and we are giving our level best and providing sufficient material to them. In fact, we also provide one-to-one sessions to our students. The students who just need to start their IELTS and they don't know what exactly it is about, so we provide individual classes to them as well. In fact, why I'm telling you all these things, because I just want that you should not waste your time. Just try to enhance your language skills, because in the coming time when the situation will be over, at least you will be doing your further proceedings rather than training yourself for IELTS. So this is the right time. Do not waste it. Just utilize it in a good manner, in an effective manner, and learn something new. And this is for the betterment of you only, because many of us have made decisions that we should go abroad because of many facilities, as jobs are good there. In fact, the students who want to go for higher studies, they can go, and along with that, if you are planning for PR, you can get that. But nothing is possible if you do not have IELTS with you. So start working upon it, work hard on it, and in case of any queries, I have displayed my number, and if you need to ask me anything, you can write your query in the comment box as well, and we are there to help you. Thank you so much.